Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, news classification using machine learning. We'll explore how we can use the naive Bayes algorithm, particularly the multinomial NB class from the popular scikit-learn library, to classify news articles. So, let's get started. What is news classification? First off, what is news classification? In simple terms, it's the process of categorizing news articles into predefined categories like sports, politics, entertainment, and more. This helps readers quickly find news that interests them and enables news agencies to better organize their content. Why use machine learning? Now, you might wonder, why use machine learning for this task? Well, traditional methods can be time-consuming and often require a lot of manual effort. With machine learning, especially algorithms like naive Bayes, we can automate this process efficiently and accurately. Introducing the naive Bayes algorithm. Let's talk about the naive Bayes algorithm. It's a probabilistic classifier based on Bayes' theorem. The naive part comes from the assumption that features are independent of each other. This might not always be true in real life, but it often works surprisingly well, especially for text classification. Multinomial NB in action. Specifically, we're using the multinomial NB class, which is particularly effective for text data. It works well with word frequencies, perfect for classifying news articles. Let's walk through the steps of using it. Steps 1. Data collection. First, we gather our data set. This could be a collection of news articles already labeled by category. 2. Data preprocessing. Next, we preprocess the text. This includes converting text to lowercase, removing punctuation, and eliminating stop words. 3. Feature extraction. Then, we used Fit Vectorizer to convert our text into numerical format. This step transforms our articles into a matrix of TF-IDF features, which stands for Term Frequency Inverse Document Frequency. 4. Training the model. Now, we can train our model. We split our data into training and testing sets and fit the multinomial NB model on the training data. 5. Making predictions. After training, we can use our model to predict categories for the test set and evaluate its performance. Evaluating the model. We evaluate our model using metrics like accuracy, confusion matrix, and classification report. These tools help us understand how well our model performs and identify areas for improvement. And that's a wrap. We've explored how to classify news articles using the naive Bayes algorithm, specifically the multinomial NB class. It's a powerful tool in the field of machine learning, especially for text classification tasks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more content about machine learning and data science. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep learning